I want to give you a clear picture of what Evermore La Château truly is. This is a fairy tale experience curated by Beyond Developments on a sandy natural beach with blue clear waters of Ras Al Khaimah. It's directly facing the future Wynn Resort. The scale is extraordinary. Evermore sits on 250,000 square meters of land, which is the size of a small European town. What truly defines this community is how much space is not built. Almost 200,000 square meters, which would roughly equate to 50 acres, are dedicated purely to greenery, botanical gardens, landscape parks, garden residences, and shaded walkways. Evermore is directly connected to a 1.6 kilometer beach and more than 3 kilometers of jogging and walking promenade along the shoreline, which will remind you of French Riviera. A 4-kilometer green spine physically connects the botanical garden all the way to the beach, making the entire community walkable, shaded, and experience-oriented. You'll feel like gardens of Versailles belong to you. Lifestyle here is carefully curated, from food and beverage destinations around Central Plaza to an iconic overwater restaurant jetty designed as a social and dining landmark. There's also a full community center including botanical souk, clinic, nursery, everything needed for long-term living. The design language is inspired by French coastal gardens and 17th century European elegance, a fairy tale atmosphere worthy of envy. It's the kind of lifestyle you'd normally experience only by traveling across several European cities. And here, it all exists in one single master community. Evermore isn't just a project. It's a future landmark, a destination people will travel to, live in, and envy in what is set to become one of the most touristic cities under the sun.